wasn't capping, man. She got her joint out. Hey, you know that's a female over there, right? That's a female over there, right? It's female action, man. Hey, is she the one driving that one? Or is it? Oh, yeah, it's him? Oh, wee. I think it's gonna be some janky stuff that happened at the light on this one. Uh-oh, she ready. She ready. She ready.
Who like the girl?
She ready over there.
Who like the girl?
Hey, she might tree him. They say they got the better up. Here we go. Here we go. Castro say stop playing with him. He hit the brake lights on him. Castro say stop playing with him. He hit the brake lights on him. Oh, we got a Chevy. Let's see. We got us a young Chevy. Let me see what's going on over here. Okay. Then we got us a young cat. Oh, he on the tire. Oh, yeah, I know I'm about to try sucking somebody into this. Hold on, I don't like this lane.
What he gonna do, man?
Hey, man, I like this lane. He on the tire. Okay. You feel me?
I got another lane.
Oh, he funny as
See, look, man, I don't just follow. Look, put me on the camera. Look, put me on the camera. Look, I don't follow this man just for the looks and the camera. The nigga know what he's talking about.
Yes, sir. Hey, bro say, man, which lane you like, Cooley? I say this one. He say, I like the left lane. I'm like, my man. He say, you want to get that body.
I like this lane.
Hey, on which one? With them two? Oh, they went. I like that. However, what you, he not going all the way down or something? Cause you be slick with your bets.
I don't know anyone.
He is a tricky bro. I'm trying to tell you, he be knowing something. Nah, you got me scared now. I ain't gonna lie, cause anytime, ain't no way, bro. I told them I was scared.
We got deep pockets, man. Come on, 20.
You and Trey might be on some BS. So I got the target in. Alright. I'm about to let his ass know. Hey man, I got money on you. So don't jerk me. I got money on you. Yeah, that's what I had to make sure he knows. Not the jag. Hey, Scotty, I had to tell him I got money on him. Hey, I got money on you. Don't make me lose, and don't lose on my channel, man. Man, because he on the tire, he better walk his ass. Don't let him go in front. That's what I'm saying. Come on, man. Don't let me give up a coolie juice to him, man. Hell yeah. Where he at? Where he at? Where he at? Where he at? I gotta find him. Uh-huh. Let me slip up on him. Hey.
Hey, that been backfiring all day.
I know it. Hey,
None of that shit. Your man told you. The nigga don't walk around.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, he had me a little scared when he betting. I'm like, man, hold on, man.
We don't say Shorty Cooley got a pull-up and stunt coming up, Washington Park. You better motherfucking be
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's on the leg. Wow.
And Doug is the runner-up.
My boy, hey man, we don't need no introduction. Let them know what's going on, man.
Showdown, baby.
Yes, sir. Yes, hey, I'm definitely there, brother.
September 20th.
Definitely there. Indeed. You know I'm coming. Yes, sir.
Big show, big
Hey, Cooley Juice, I'm bringing it down and everything. Yes, sir.
Give me a little swig of that.
Man, I gotta tell you, I'm sold out. But I'm gonna get you together. Oh, I like my man. Which way y'all like it, man? Y'all know which way I'm going. I'm riding with my homie, man.
I like left lane.
Record for me one time to make sure he out.
Hey, tell him hold on. No, hold on. Regal on Regal violence.
I think they is. They was trying to jump on them. They was trying to jump on that. Huh?
Charlie and Mike. Charlie and Mike.
Oh, damn, yeah, yup. Hold on, let me get. Wait, who you like? You like Charlie? You say you like Charlie? How much? A dub? A dub? All right, I got Mike. My boy Mike and Charlie, this one of them that they both my boys from Maine. It's about to go down. Big grudge race.
You better stop talking that shit to me. You ain't got enough to talk that shit to me, boy. You ain't got enough to talk that shit to me. You know you was wrong ass for that shit, boy. Stop talking that shit.
Hey, go, get up. It's a race going on. It's a race. Keep that shit a race. getting intense out here, gang. It's getting intense out here. Who like this lane? Who like this lane? Nobody? I should have bet your ass 50 when I had you on the hook. They know what's going on. It's so litty out here, gang. I can't lie to y'all, man. Playboy, hey, you a dog for this one. You gotta throw another one for the end of the year. What up, what up? Get that footage. I like it this way. Who long we want to bet? Where you at? Any bet? Any bet? Yeah, same here. That's what I'm talking about. Ah! Stop playing. That thing moves. No playing games. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No crows. No, sir. No, sir. They talk about crows. No, sir. I got to get these. No way. Hold on, gang. They talking about these cross. I ain't feel it. I ain't feel it or see it. I ain't feel it or see it.
Oh my God. Oh my God. It was a guy, Mike coasted on his.
Hey, Mike shit on beast mode.
Hey, and for just 20,000, that can be yours.
I'm trying to tell you, he definitely giving it away. They talking about that's his marks. Hold on, what they talking about? No cross, they say his marks down there. They looking for the marks, they walking. Hold on. Hold on, gang. No cross. Hey, they just walked all the way. Yes, sir. No cross. Payday. Ah.
Ain't never crossed the line, y'all.
Payday. Boy, that Mustang is riding. And he giving it away for a dub. 20 bucks. 20 bucks. Woo! I'm trying to tell you, that's a lick. Killer. Big dog status, man. Hey, that was a grudge. They done really had something crazy, man. I ain't gonna lie. That's a grudge that they done had going for a little second. Yeah. We all like. Hey. They thought they was going to the A. They both got out. They thought they was going to the A. See, that's why I don't be gambling unless I know what's going on.